Thank you for applying for our professional visa evaluation services. We will now assess if you qualify to move to Canada and determine the best of over 100 visa programs for you and your family. This is what you can expect next in 3 easy steps. Step 1, fill out a detailed online form and upload your CV or resume through our digital client dashboard using the login details you have received after your purchase. Step 2, our certified consultants will use the information you provided to assess your eligibility and strategize a visa application plan that best suits your needs and ultimate goal. Bear in mind that this can take 5 days to complete, so we ask for your patience during this process. Step 3, we will notify you when your evaluation results are available. A visa representative will be in contact with you to explain your expertly selected options and the next steps in the immigration process. You can then choose to continue with the process by signing a retainer agreement and paying an additional fee, which will allow our certified consultants to handle the entire visa application process on your behalf.